Good day. In this video, we are going to study about circuit diagram. What is a circuit diagram? A circuit diagram is a visual display of an electrical or electronic circuit using either basic images of parts or components or industry standard symbols. Usage of symbols depends on the type of audience viewing the diagram. If the audience are engineers or who have good idea about electrical or electronic circuit, you may use the industry standard symbols. If the audience are not engineers and if they don't have idea about the industry standard symbols, you may use the basic image parts of electrical or electronic components. Types of circuit diagram. There are two different types of circuit diagram. The first one is schematic circuit diagram and the second one is pictorial circuit diagram. In schematic circuit diagram, you will be using the industry standard symbols. In pictorial circuit diagram, you will be using the basic images of the electrical or electronic components. Steps to design a circuit diagram. The different steps involved in designing a circuit is explained below. The first step is to gather the details of the application for which the circuit is to be designed. First, you have to collect the information about the application for which the circuit is to be designed. The information needed are the list of components, their specification, and the purpose of the application. The second step is draw the symbol or picture of the electrical or electronic components in the appropriate place. As you have idea about the application, draw the symbol or picture of the component in the appropriate place. The third step is connect the electrical or electronic components by wire accordingly. Based on the application, you may have to connect the components in series or in parallel. Connect with the appropriate power supply. Certain applications require DC supply and certain applications require AC supply. Based on the application, choose the correct power supply. The fifth step is check the phase and neutral connection. That is, verify the circuit whether you have connected all the leads correctly. The last step is ground the circuit. At last you have to ground the appropriate lead. These are the various steps followed in designing a circuit. Now we are going to see different types of circuit diagram. So for that, we have to get the information about the list of components needed. So now we are going to design a circuit by connecting a battery to a lamp. So for that, we need all these equipments. So we have listed them. This is the image of the equipment or the part. That is, this is a lamp, or you can say it is bulb, and the symbol of the lamp is given here. This is a battery and the symbol of the battery is given here. This is a wire and the symbol of wire is given here. This is a switch and the symbol of switch is given here. Let us design a circuit using this. So already we have studied that there are two types of circuit. One is pictorial circuit diagram and the other one is schematic circuit diagram. In pictorial circuit diagram, we will use the actual picture of the electrical or electronic components. In a schematic circuit diagram, we will use the symbols of electrical or electronic components. So now we are connecting a battery to a lamp. So we have a battery which is connected through a wire to a lamp. So the positive is connected here and the negative of the battery is connected here. So when it is connected, the light starts glowing. So similarly, in a schematic circuit diagram, this battery will be replaced by appropriate symbol. This is the symbol of battery and this is the symbol of wire for connecting and this is the symbol of bulb. So this is the pictorial circuit diagram and here is the schematic circuit diagram. The schematic circuit diagram will be in a simplified form as we are not using the parts of the components. The next example is connecting a battery to a lamp through a switch. So now we have added a switch to the previous circuit. So in the positive of the battery, we have connected a switch. So the symbol of the switch is given here. This is the pictorial circuit diagram and this is the schematic circuit diagram. Uses of electrical circuit. Circuit diagrams are used for design, construction, and maintenance of electrical and electronic equipments. It is used by engineers to get an idea about the physical electrical circuit. So if there is any issues in an actual circuit, the engineers, the electrical or electronic engineers, will refer to the circuit diagram to get an idea and to troubleshoot the circuit. Hope you got more idea about circuit diagrams. Thanks for watching this video.